Stone Gold. I'm bohit. You hear me?
I heard you.
Yeah, okay, good. Stone Gold. Eli Jordan Bros. Mahaya Becky Bros. I'm not Mahaya Becky. My name is Eli Rowland. Katrogi interested on Oida Amido. So I'm a daughter of Panther Clan and my tribal town is Gowida. I'm filling in for Mahaya Becky today. She's having some fun doing the elders event. What's it called again?
The elder luncheon.
Elder luncheon. Yeah, so I'm filling in today for it, but she wanted me to go over the different things that she had talked about last week, and I think add in one new one. I think one's new, and then I'd like to do some exercises with you guys if you have time to do so. So I'm gonna go ahead and start sharing the screen so we can get that started. Around the camera there. There we go. And then we're gonna start here first. Does this go ahead? Oh yeah, look at that. I'm new to this whole board, so I'm having fun. So I'm gonna make this here. Okay, so the first one we're gonna go through the greetings. I believe that was one of the things that you had gone through last week. So first one is Stonewall Hayadega. Stonewall Hayadega. Right, so Stonewall being the like in this case, without problems, and then Hayadega being the get through the night. So did you get through the night without problems, or did you get through the night okay? Right. So I know that she's done that one with you quite a few times. So you don't have to turn off your mic or anything, or turn it on, I guess. But I'm going to do it just 2 more times. So Stongon. Hayadega. Stongon. Hayadega. And this one shows the multiple people one. Sorry, I'm having to move this. Hey, there we go. This one shows the multiple people one. So that extra awk right here that you guys will see. If I can, oh, that's right. I can annotate. Yes. Okay. Okay. Is it red? Oh, perfect. Okay. So this awk right here, this makes it a plural. So you'll see sometimes on different verbs. Some verbs it's not the case, but in a lot of verbs you'll see an awk added near the end, and that will mean that it's plural now. So that's happening in this one. We have Stongon is the exact same, so without problems. And then Hayade Gaga. That has that extra awk in there, and that's the more than one. So Stongon Hayade Gaga. And that up at the end is how you're gonna make that question. You gotta make sure you have that. Stongon Hayade Gaga. So I'm going to do it 2 more times, separate. You guys say it to yourself, and it'll be with, you have to have your mic unmuted. You can keep it muted if you want. So, Stongon. Hayade Gaga. Last one. Stongon.
Stongon.
Hayade Gaga.
Hayade Gaga.
Heck yeah, that was great, Amy. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna squish on down. Was that the only one on this one? Cool. Okay, so we're gonna go to, how about weather terms? I believe you guys have been doing weather terms, am I right? I believe that was Casey. Yeah, I'm getting a yes. So that's good for me. Okay. And so just choose my drawing tool. So we're gonna go through them real quick. I know that she says that she spells them with you, right? She goes he, z, o, d, o, z, d. We'll do that with, how about let's do that with 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we won't do the spelling. We'll go just through it. So on your own, say it to yourself. We have he, z, o, d, o, z, d. Hazoruzat. Hazoruzat. Then we have Hazokti. Or he, not her. He, z, o, d, he, hazoti. Over here on this side, we have ahology. Ah, he, o, li, o, g, e, ahology. And then last one, where I spell is obc. He, o, b, e, c, e. And this one's a really good one to know, even though it may not fog where you do, like where you live very often, because obviously is one of the big words used in our creation story. So knowing the word fog is really important because let's remember we had to emerge from the fog. So obviously is a good one to know. Besides, of course, the ones that you probably will use every day, like warm, hot, and cold. So let's go ahead and clear these all. And we're going to go through them one at a time. And so first one, we're going to do the left side that we can see, and then, well, actually, how far? Maybe, yeah, we'll do all the left side first, and then we'll do the right side. Okay, so first is hazorza. So I'm going to do it by syllable first. We have ha, zo, do, za. Ha, zo, do, za. So all together, it's hazorza. Hazorza. One more time. Hazorza. This one comes from the same word. So sun and sunshine, they come from the same base of hazi, right? Hazi means sun. So this one is sunshine. We have ha, zot, di. Ha, zot, di. And remember, when there's the two, you have to pronounce both of them. That's why it's ha, zot, with that T on the end there, and di. So, and then when you say it fast, hazoti, or it holds it. Hazoti. It's the same thing that happens if you, see if I can write this with this thing. Well, if you say the word bus and then you say the word stop, you'll notice you don't say bus stop. You say bus stop. You hold it. Bus stop. That's what we're doing when we do these double letters. We hold it. So hazoti. 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 Okay, we're gonna do it with cold. Cold has two double letters, so hang on in there. We got guz, zup, b. Guz, zup, b. So all together, right, 3 times full speed. Guzuppi. 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 Cold. Guzuppi. Next we got warm, which is different than hot. We have warm. We have li, gut. With that T in it. He. Li, gut, he. Li, gut, he. One more time. Li, gut, he. 3 times fast. Li, gut, he. Li, gut, he. Li, gut, he. Next we got hot. Hot is nice and easy, only 2 syllables. I like it. This is hey, hey, ye. Hey, ye. Hey, ye. And so if you say it fast, you really just have to pen. Hey, hey, hey. Next we got wind. We got ho dolly. So it's ho, da, li. Ho, da, li. Ho, da, li. So all together, ho da li. Ho da li. Ho da li. And the last one before I have to scooch it down, we have ho da li yikji. So strong, right? Ho da li is wind. Yikji means strong by itself. Yikji, strong. So if you want to tell somebody that they're strong, you can say yikji's dos. Yikji dos. Ho da li yikji. 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 Okay. And then we'll scooch on down. Whoop. Now we got straight winds. So I'll take a wild guess as to what this means. Lavoki. If Hodali is wind, there you go. So Hodali Lavoki. So at this point, we've had practice that 2 separate times saying Hodali. So this one, we're not going to split up, right? It's just Hodali, Hodali. Next, we have La, boat, with that T in there. Ki. La, boat, ki. Hodali Labotki. Hodali Labotki. One more time. Hodali Labotki. Next, we got tornado. And this one, though it doesn't say wind here, it still has wind. Because tornado means big wind. Big wind. You can physically see the wind, and it's really big. So we have Hodali again, Hodali. And we have Sakko. Slak. Go. Remember, you do that same thing with bus stop where you hold it. Slakko. Slakko. Hodali Sakko. So one more time. Hodali Sakko. Tornado. Whirlwind. Hanajofila. So ha na jo fi la. Ha na jo fi la. All together. Ha na jo fi la. Ha na jo fi la. And then 2 times fast. Ha na jo fi la. Ha na jo fi la. This one, it should be lightning. Lightning. Not lighting in the room, but lightning that's going to zap you. Lightning. We have Adopi Hati. Adopi Hati. So, by itself. Do. Yi. Hot. Di. Do. Yi. Hot. Di. Do. Yi. Hot. Di. So 2 times fast. Do. Yi. Hot. Di. Do. Yi. Hot. Di. And then what comes after lightning is thunder. So we got thunder next. We got Diniki. Di. Ni. With that T in there. Di. Diniki. Di. Ni. Gi. Diniki. So 2 more times. Diniki. Diniki. Next, we got rain. One of my favorite words. It's really pretty and it's really short. It's oski. 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 Sprinkling, right? It's a type of rain. And so it has the word rain in it. Oski. And then waski. 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 So all together, it's oski, waski, oski, waski, oski, waski. Next, we got freezing rain. It's got its own word. So, sa, di, ni, be, ji. 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 And now fast. Sa, di, ni, be, ji. Sa, di, ni, be, ji. Freezing rain. Next, we got snowstorm. So I don't remember doing snow already. Maybe snow's on the other side. But remember, right? Snow is this one. So snow is he, do, di, he, do, di, he, do, di, he, do, di. And the snowstorm then is big, excuse me, big snow. Just like how it was big wind for tornado up here. It's a big snow for snowstorm. So slakko, slakko, hiruri, sakko, hiruri, sakko, hiruri, sakko. And then, is there anyone underneath this one? Okay, here we go. A few more snows. Okay, right? All have to do with snow. All have the word snow in it. Hirori. So first one, hirori. Next we got frost. So hut geji. Hut geji. Hut geji. Hut geji. Hut geji. Hirori hut geji. Hirori hut geji. Next we have hirori, of course, and then in niska. In niska. Right? And there's two N's. We hold the N's just like bus stop. In niska. In niska. Hirori in niska. Hirori in niska. And remember, if you're having a hard time with the R, don't worry, it's a hard letter. But way I always teach my students is put your tongue like you're trying to make an L sound. Oh, right? Oh, up there on the top of your roof. Oh, and instead of saying oh, just let out air through your cheeks. And that's that sound. So when you say liska, you're just letting out air. Ni, where your tongue is L. Niska. 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 And you know you're doing it right if you feel a bunch of air coming out of your cheeks. Niska. They're all drawings. Go up to the top for the right side. Woo! Hey, that moves fast. Okay. Next, we got cloud or cloudy. It can mean either one. We have ahology. Ahology. So first is ah, ho, o, g. Ahology. Ahology. And then all together, ahology. Ahology. Fog. Remember earlier, we said it earlier, and it's important to know. Make sure you know fog. Obesely. Ho. Be. Sli. Ho. Be. Sli. And if you make a lot of spit, making that R sound in the beginning, that's okay. That's normal. That's your tongue trying to get used to making that R sound. Ho. Be. Sli. Obesely. Oh, look. It's hot again. Here we go. We're not doing it slow then. We're going to do it fast. 3 times. Hey ye. Hey ye. Hey ye. Oh, look at that. And a win. Nice. Okay, so that means we're not going to do it slow for wind either. I'll just not cover the word for you guys. That's just cheating. Hodali. 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 And then like right here. Aha. There's more. So ligothi. 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 Nice. Okay. I can't see everybody in here. I don't know how many people are in here. Jordan, do you have it on your screen?
Yeah, there's 20.
20? Awesome. Okay. So Jordan, you choose a random person and they're going to say this one.
Okay, noodle.
Noodle. Noodle, do you have a mic?
Yeah.
Okay, Noodle. You got Sunny.
Hustle Sakte.
Oh, you're so close. Hazul? Yes. Right
Yes.
here.
Husotosat.
Hazordozat. Yes, perfect. Hazordozat. Okay, Jordan. Next person. Next victim is Hazorti.
Leah Postoke.
Nia Posto. Do you have a mic?
Yep.
Awesome. Okay, you got Sunshine.
So,
Oh, no, that's Sunny.
I'm sorry.
Done.
Hazoti.
Hazorti. Yes, good. Okay, next we got Cole. Who's the next one, Jordan?
Catherine Sunny.
Catherine Sunny. Do you have a mic?
Kasapi.
Kasapi. Yes, Kasapi. You know how to say it gets really cold?
Kasapidor. Or no, Kasapidos.
Kasapidos. You can stress it. Kasapidos. Kasapidos. It's cold. Okay, next one. Jordan, give me one for warm.
Nisha Russell.
Nisha Russell. Do you have I don't know.
Brendan Gear.
Brendan Gear, you're next up. You're on legal. Got that, Mike?
Hello.
Give me more.
Say a word. Here.
Oh, that's hey.
Hi, pardon. Heidi.
Yeah, do this one.
L'écoute. L'écoute.
The good.
L'écoute.
Yeah. So even though in English th is a th, that's true, not a th. So it's li good with the t sound, and then he with an h sound.
L'écoute.
Yeah, li good he. Yes.
L'écoute. Ah.
Okay. Next we got wind. Who's gonna be wind?
Amy.
Amy, you're up for wind.
Hodari.
Oh yes, totally. Nice. Awesome. That's a good one to know too. If you're a wind clan, you better know how to say wind. Okay, I'm gonna do a few more. I'm gonna randomly select. Well, I said earlier, word fog, that's important. So who's gonna do fog, Jordan? Randy. Okay, Randy, you're on fog.
Obviously,
Obviously, yes. What's up, Randy? Obviously. Okay,
Mahaya. Eli Troyevska. Eli Mahiros. Oh,
Okay, and then I'm gonna go down here. And how about let's do one with one of the long ones for wind, one of the ones for that has to do with rain, and maybe one with snow. So let's do. I'm feeling tornado. Who's gonna do tornado? Luciana. Do you have a mic? Yeah. Okay. So you got
Well-
tornado.
Hodali taco.
Yeah. Hodali taco. Yes. Hodali taco. Which means separately, right? Big win. Big win. You know, I'm going to give someone a really hard one. Who's going to do lightning? Paul Bell. You got Mike?
Yeah, Adobe Hardy.
Yes, Adoki Hati. Heck yeah, nice. That's a hard one too. Adoki Hati. Yeah, if this one never trips you up, remember, just read it syllable by syllable. We have adult, ye, hot, D. So that one never trips you up. Always remember, go back to your syllables. Nice. Okay. And then how about, well, since I gave someone a really hard one with lightning, the next one's got to be hard for rain. So we're going to go with freeze and rain. Who's going to do that one?
Rebecca Bean.
Rebecca Bean. Yeah, Mike.
Sudden, just a minute. Sudden a PJ, a BJ, sudden a PJ,
So close. So sudden. You got that. Sudden.
sudden a
Beige.
pagey, right, sudden a pagey.
Suddenly beige. Good job. Heck yeah. Okay, and that means the last one. Let's do. I like the word sleep. Let's do the word sleep.
Donna.
Donna. You got a mic, Donna? Inishka. Yes, Hiduri Inishka. Heck yeah. Oh my gosh, you guys cleared that out of the park. Awesome. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and move over here then. I think you guys were doing the months of the year. And if you're not, guess you are now. So either way, we're doing months. Okay, how about purple for months? Feel purple. Okay, so first we got January. Does somebody want to say January without me saying it first? If you do, go ahead and
Purple
unmute your-
jersey.
Yeah, Shuffle Jersey. Who is that? Starby?
Starby.
Yeah, Shuffle Jersey. Shuffle Jersey. Does anybody know what that means separately? What Shuffle means and Jersey means? I'm hearing crickets. So Fluffle. Fluffle means winter.
Cold winter. Yes.
Winter, and then Josie comes from a Josie, which means like little sibling. It's a little brother, a little sister. So it's winter's little brother. Winter's little brother. That's the word for January. And that makes sense when we get to December, where it's big winter. So January is December's little brother. Fluffo Josie. So everybody ready for your time? If we're gonna say it, you can have your mic muted to say it. That way you're not confusing everybody else. But we're gonna do it 3 times. Fluffo Josie. Fluffo Josie. Fluffo Josie. Who wants to take a stab at saying the whole sentence?
Fafo Juicy Kasabidoes.
Yes, Fluffo Josie Kasapi Dois. So for this one, I would say Dois. And the only reason, I'm a grammar nut, so the grammar behind Dois means that it always is that way. Dois. Fluffo Josie Kasapi Dois. January is just usually always cold. Fluffo Josie Kasapi Dois, right? So January, cold, it is. Fluffo Josie Kasapi Dois. Nice. Okay, who wants to take a stab at saying February without me saying it?
Horary Hershey.
Yes, Podali Hazi. February. Podali Hazi. Nice job. And that was Amy. Okay, what does anybody remember what the separate words mean? Like what Podali is and Hazi is?
Wind.
Wendy,
Wind month.
Wind month. Yes, it's the month of wind. So it's always called the month of wind. Podali Hazi. So I'm going to say it 3 times. Remember, keep your mic muted so that you don't confuse each other. So Podali Hazi. Podali Hazi. Podali Hazi. Podali Hazi. Who wants to take a stab at saying this whole sentence?
I'll try it. Hodali Hasi Anokichka Hasidois.
Yes. Podali Hazi. Anokichka Hazi Dois. February is the love month. So February, right? Podali Hazi. Anokichka is love. Hazi month Dois is. Yes. Okay, well, March. We got this one. Who wants to do March without me saying it? I can't be one you already said it.
I'll try it.
Okay.
Taha Tasa Chuji.
Yeah. Tasa Joji. Tasa Joji. Nice. Good job. So this one's hard, at least in my opinion, because, right, all these H's, they matter. In English, we just kind of skip over them, but in Mvskoke, they matter. So it's ta za with that H. Ta za Joji. Ta za Joji. So 3 times. Ready? Da za Joji. Da za Joji. And da za Joji. March. So then who wants to take a stab at the sentence? I can't get all the way to the end. It hits my camera. Oh, make me have Jordan choose somebody, because I will.
Tzachuji Huji. Huzzy. Huzzy. Sachuji Nados.
Yes. Tazachtuji Hazi. Hazi Saktuchina Dos. Yes. So Tazachtuji Hazi. That's March. We got Hazi, which is month. And then Saktuchina. So Tuchinin, right? If you know your numbers, is 3. Tuchinin. That sa at the beginning, that makes it what's called an ordinal number, where it has an order, right? First, second, third, those are orders. So it makes it third. Satuchina. So if you want to say that with anything else, Sahamga first. Sahokola second. So in this case, Satuchina, because it's the 3rd month. And then dos is. So March is the 3rd month. We're gonna go ahead and scoot this down so that I'm not running into my camera. Whew. Okay. Okay, next we got April. Who wants to go for April? without me saying it first. Yeah, 5 seconds before it goes.
Tasachitako.
Yes, tasachi slako, tasachi slako. But I forgot to even go over that, right? So tasachi, right? The two words, tasachi is a part of this word, and it means spring. Tasachi, this uji means like little. So this is little spring. March is little spring. April, tasachi slako, right, is big spring, big spring. So spring's in full bloom during April. So tasachi slako. Who wants to? Oh wait, let's say it 3 times first. 3 times, ready? Tasachi slako, tasachi slako, and tasachi slako. The big things to remember, that H is important and that double K is important. Tasachi slako. Who wants to take a stab at the sentence for April? Go pick on somebody in 3, 2, 1. Jordan, give me a name.
Rachel Thrower.
Rachel Thrower. Yeah, Mike,
Can you hear me?
go for it.
Okay. Tasachi tlako isti di haladagi dois.
Yes, nice job. That was a hard one. We haven't seen this word. And so you
Yeah,
did a
I've
good
never
job.
seen it before.
Yeah, you did a good job bringing it by syllables. The di, ha, la, ta, gi. So, tasachi tlako isti di haladagi dois. So, tasachi tlako, right? That's April. We got isti, which is people. And then idi or di haladagi is to get married. And then dois is, so people get married in April. Nice and easy. Tasachi tlako isti di haladagi dois. Next we got May. Who wants to stab at May without me saying it? Jordan, give me a name.
Noodle.
Noodle. You got caught again, Noodle.
Gehazi,
Gehazi, yes, Gehazi. Do you know what the 2 separate pieces are?
wind, and the first one I don't know.
Oh, you're close. So Hazi is month. You have to get Hoguli. Hazi is month. Gi is actually mulberry. It's a type of berry that was really common back where we used to live and stuff. So Gehazi is mulberry month. That's because that's when they were known to be ready and ripe for picking. So that's how we know it's May, was Gehazi. So I'm gonna do that one 3 times. Gehazi, Gehazi, and Gehazi. May. Who wants to take a stab at the sentence?
Giosi Gios Os Oji Dovis.
Yes. So one more time. Gehazi, G-O-G, Dois.
Giosi Gioshi Dovis.
Yes. So that what it is May, mulberries, right? So that's the word G twice because it's mulberry month, mulberries. And then OG means to have or exist. So has and then does and is. So there are mulberries in May. Gehazi, G-O-G, Dois. Gehazi, G-O-G, Dois. Nice. Okay. So this one is similar in the sense that it has to do with another, I guess it's a berry, a fruit. Berry. That's another berry. Who wants to go and do June without me saying it first?
Kajo Hussey.
Gajo Hazi, yes. Nice job, Gajo Hazi. Do you know what Gajo is?
Blackberry, the best berry.
Yes, blackberry month, blackberry month. And so that's because blackberries were ripe and ripe for picking in June. Okay, who wants to go for, oh, actually, let's say it first. Let's say it first. I'm just so excited about the sentence. Okay, let's say it first. Ready? Gajo Hazi, and Gajo Hazi. Okay, now let's do the sentence. Who wants to take a stab at this? And like I said, if you don't do it yourself, I'm going to call him.
Gajo Hase, Gajo Honde Dois.
Yes, nice job, Rebecca Bean. Heck yeah. Gajo
Thank
Hazi,
Mado.
Gajo Hondi Dois, and Ga. Okay, so we got Gajo Hazi, that's June. Gajo, the blackberry, so blackberry month, blackberries. Hondi, to grow, and then Dois, they do. So blackberries grow in June. Gajo Hazi, Gajo Hondi Dois. Okay, we're gonna go down. That way I can touch it without running into the camera. There we go. Okay, next we got this one. Who wants to give a stab at that one?
Hey, Yuji.
Hey Yuji, yes, hey Yuji. Do you know what that one means?
Little hot, little
Little hot.
warm. Little
Yeah,
hot.
little hot. Little hot, because that's where you start getting into, okay, now it's getting into summer and it's getting a little hot. So July. Okay, so we're gonna say that one 3 times. We got hey Uji, hey Uji, hey Uji. Heck yeah, who wants to go for this one? This is a pretty fun sentence to say.
Hayuji, Hai, Dos.
Nice. Hey Uji, hey Dois. That's little hot is hot. Hot is. So July is hot. Hey Uji, hey Dois. Heck yeah, okay. Oh yeah.
Young, we pronounced it Hai. Is that
Hi.
wrong?
Some people, I think some people do, but the correct pronunciation of this letter is A.
Okay.
And so next we got this one. Who wants to do that one for August?
Hey, Yosako.
Yeah, hey Yosako, which means what?
Big hot.
Big hot. Now it's really hot. August is really hot. Hey Yosako. So 3 times. Hey Yosako. Don't forget that double K. Hey Yosako. Hey Yosako. If that's my phone, can someone just turn it off? Then we got this guy. Okay, who wants to go for the sentence?
Heyosako Bahi Oklani Dois.
Yes. Oh, that was perfect. Heyosako Bahi Oplani Dois. So right, we got Heyosako. That's August. We got Bahi, which is grass. Grass. Oplani is brown. And then Dois is so the grass turns brown in August. Heyosako Bahi Oplani Dois. Heck yes. Okay, let's do September. Who wants to do September?
Orowaskuji.
Yes, Orowaskuji. Darby, nice. Orowaskuji. You know what this one means?
Little chestnut.
Little ch-
Little chestnut thrashing. Little chestnut thrashing. Because way back when, to be able to get them off the trees and get them all open and stuff, we had to thrash them. And I want to say that it has to do with hitting them. So this is the word that we would use for it. So little chestnut thrashing. They started to come out. We started getting ready with that. Orowaskuji. So we're going to do it 3 times. Orowaskuji. 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 Nice. And remember that uji right here. That's what's showing that little. Just like here in hey uji, that little. Orowaskuji. Who wants to take a stab at the sentence for September?
Orowaskuji Kasapitos. Who is?
Oh, you're so close. You're so close. Kasa, this part.
Kasapuji.
You're so close. Kasapuji.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, all together. You got it. You got it.
Orowaskuji.
Remember, by syllables.
Kasapuji. I done lost it again.
Kasapuji.
Kasapuji.
There you go. Yes. Orowaskuji. Kasa Horzi Dois. So it is cool in September. It's a little cold. This Horzi on the end of an adjective is a little. So Odoworskoji Kasa Horzi Dois. Okay, we're almost there. We're almost there. We're in October. Only 3 months left. And then I'm going to show you something just in case you never noticed. We got this one. Let's do this one.
Odoworsko Sako.
Odoworsko Sako, which is big chestnut thrashing. Yes, for that big chestnut thrashing. Odoworsko Sako. So 3 times. Odoworsko Sako. Odoworsko Sako. Odoworsko Sako. Nice. We got a question from Leo Posto. Jordan, is the new meeting link going to be used for the remainder of the future ones? She said, yeah. She said, yeah. Good question. Okay. And then next, who wants to take a stab at the sentence? Dang, nobody wanted it too long. Okay, who are we doing, Jordan?
Luciana.
Luciana, you got chosen.
Odoworsko Tako Ishti. Howalko Hogi Dois.
Yes, nice. Horosh Tako Ishti Howal Hogi Dois. People get ugly in October. And that has to do with, of course, my favorite holiday, Halloween. So Orosko Sako, right? October. Ishti, people. Howal Hogi. That means like to get ugly for a bunch of people. Howal Hogi. And then Dois is or they do. So people get ugly in October. Orosko Sako. Ishti Howal Hogi Dois. Okay, next we got our second to last one who wants to do November. So that's a short. Somebody better jump on it.
Iholi.
Yes, Iholi. Iholi. Do you, so this, fun fact, this word is, from my understanding, very old, and there's a lot of different opinions on what it means. One of the things I was taught was it means like the first frost that you see. And so November is when you usually see that first snowfall. So though November is not usually my favorite month, it's one of my favorite months in Mvskoke is Iholi. So 3 times. Iholi, Iholi, and Iholi. And then who wants to take a stab at the sentence?
Iholi Ben Bakanita Hasidois.
Yes! Iholi bimbaka nitta hazidois. Heck yeah. Iholi, November. Bin baka, eating turkey. Bin being from binwa for turkey, but the short one because we're mashing it with 2 words. So bin baka. And then nitta, day. And then hazi, month. Dois, it is. So November is turkey eating month. Ihori, bin baka, nitta hazi, dois. And last but not least, we got December. Who wants to do December? Close it off.
Sofosako.
Sako. Yes, Sako, which means
Big winter.
big winter. Yes, winter, big winter. Big winter. So we're gonna do that one 3 times. And this one's hard. This is a tongue twister, right? So really pay attention. Fla, full, flock with that K. Goal. Fla, full, flock, goal. Okay, so now 3 times together. Fluffle, flockle, fluffle, flockle, fluffle, flockle. Yeah. Okay, and then so who wants to give a stab at and try not to cover it up? Here, wait. I'll just cover up the English. You don't need it. There we go. Who wants to do that sentence? Nobody claimed it. Jordan, who's doing it?
Carolyn Townsend.
Carolyn Townsend.
Llafo, llako, o hil kasapidawis.
Yes, sofo sako. And this is a typo. Hisli kasapidois. So sofo sako, December. Hisli means good or well. In this case, it means like very or really. And then kasapi is cold, and then is. So it's so December. Really cold is sofo sako. Hisli kasapidois is really cold in December. So real quick, a real fun fact I just want to share with you guys before we move on to the last like flyer page is if you haven't ever noticed, all the months have pairs. Our months are all paired together in groups. So we'll start in March because actually let's start in summer, since summer is when our New Year's is. So the pairs are like this. We have little hot and big hot, right? Heoji and Heosako. The next pair is Odoworskoji and Odoworskosako. So little chestnut thrashing and big chestnut thrashing. Next, we got, this is where they get a little wonky. We got Fluffosako, big winter. And then you come all the way up here. We have Fluffo Jersey. That's the next pair, right? And so that's the big winter and winter's little brother. The next pair that's easy to tell is March and April. It's Tasahjoji, so little March with April, or little March, little spring, and Dasahji Tlako, big spring. The next easy pair to see is this one right here. We got Kihazi, mulberry month, and Gajohazi, blackberry month. So they're the 2 months that have to do with their berries. So then the last one, which is, they're just the 2 weird months, I guess is really what it comes down to. You got this month where you notice a change in weather, Hodali Hazi. February, it gets windy, you know, winter starts to end, it gets windy and it's moving into spring, Hodali Hazi, right? So the other month that does that, right here, Iholi. It's going from fall and summer and fall into winter, and then you see a change of, you know, atmosphere with the first frost. Iholi. So I recommend, if you don't know your months very well, I like to think of them in their pairs, and that's how I always remember that I have practiced them all, is if I remember all my pairs. Do I know all the pairs together at the very least? Okay, and then that means the last one we're doing days of the week, which once again, I don't know if you did, but we're doing it today. Because she wanted to do things that have to do with month. So we're doing this one. How about green? Green. Green. Why not actual green? Okay, first, day of the week. Thing. Where's the thing to zoom out? It's really close to me.
I think you can like pinch the screen.
Okay, I pinch it. Ooh. Ooh, I pinched a little too far. Okay, let's go. There we go. Okay. Okay. So right, we have, this is like the actual week, right? The joggle. So week. Some people also just shorten it right here to joggle. That's the word that I use when I talk about the week is to joggle. So to joggle or to joggle means week. So this side, this is the English, the Creeklish side, Creek English. I'm not doing the Creek English. You're here for Creek, so we're going to do Creek. So we're doing this row. Or yes, this column. We're doing this column. So there's 2 words for Sunday depending on which one you want to use. The more common one, we're going to do that one first, is this one, the bottom one. So the bottom one is nitta joggle. Nitta joggle. So we have nit, da, joggle, nitta joggle, nitta joggle. 3 times. Nitajago. 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 Yes. Okay. Then we got this one. It's an alternative. Some people use this one. So it's feet, gub, that be in there. Gub, ga, nit, da. So fee, gub, ga, net, da. Fee, gub, ga, net, da. We're gonna do it 3 times fast as one word. Fee, gub, ga, net, da. Fee, gub, ga, net, da. Fee, gub, ga, net, da. Sunday. So to joggle is little sacred day. To joggle, little sacred day. Monday, it's the beginning of the week. Even though in the US we tend to think of Sunday at the beginning of the week. It's not too uncommon for most places to believe it's Monday because that's when you start work. So the beginning. In, ha, di, just, ga. In, ha, di, just, ga. In, ha, di, just, ga. So all together 3 times fast. In, huddy, just, ga. In, huddy, just, ga. In, huddy, just, ga. Which means the beginning, Monday. Now we got the morning after the beginning. And that's how you get these long ones, just like this one and this one. The morning after is the word we use. So the morning after the beginning. So this word, the exact same as in Monday, in huddy jiska. So let's focus on the new word. In ha yat. That T in there. G. In ha yat gi. So we're gonna do that one slow 3 times. In ha yat gi. In ha yat gi. In ha yat gi. Excuse me. And so then all together 3 times. In hadi jiska. In hayaki. In hadi jiska. In hayaki. And last one. In hadi jiska. In hayaki. The morning after the beginning. Next we got Wednesday. Literally means middle of, because it's the middle of the week. So nice and easy. We got in, nuf, ga, ba. In, nuf, ga, ba. One last time slow. In, nuf, ga, ba. And this might be a little hard, that R that's sneaking in. Don't worry, do your best. You might have a lot of spit come out if you're trying to do it right, but honestly, if spit's coming out, you're probably doing it right. In, nuf, ga, ba. So fast 3 times. In, nuf, ga, ba. In, nuf, ga, ba. In, nuf, ga, ba. The middle of. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and move it up a little bit just so that we can at least see the last 3 anyway. There we go. And boop, boop. Okay. So now we have, right, the morning after the middle. So that means the word, the middle is the same. In naskaba. And now we say that word that means the morning after, right? Which is in ha yat gi. In ha yat gi. In ha yat gi. So fast 3 times through. Well, I'll do a slow fast and then I'll do a 3 fast. So slow fast. In naskaba. In ha yat gi. Now a little faster. In naskaba. In ha yat gi. In naskaba. In ha yat gi. In naskaba. In ha yat gi. Yes. Now this one, Friday, is the most interesting day because I've heard like 3 different words for this day. This word is actually not the word that I use, but I know this word. This is a common way to refer to it. So we're gonna do this one first, and then I'll write the one that I know in case you want to learn some other ones too. So this one is ilawichkanekta. So piece by piece, it's E, la, we, with that C in there, ga, net, da. E, la, we, ga, net, da. Ilawichka nitta. So 3 times fast. Ilawichka nitta. Ilawichka nitta. And Ilawichka nitta. And that's fasting day. It means the day that you starve yourself. The day that you make yourself hungry. Let's see if I can make this smaller. I don't think I can. Let's see if I can see if I can write pretty. Let's see if I can do it. Well, actually, just to see. Oh, sorry, we just discovered something. Discovered something. Okay, that'll work. Okay, so the word that I learned is. Now I'm worried I'm spelling it wrong. Okay, now I can't make the line thinner, so sorry if it's hard to read. Oh, I forgot to write the V at the end of Okoshka. There's a V there. Okay, the word is Okoshka nitta. Okoshka nitta. And it means washing day. So Friday is because that was a common day where people that would be when they do their laundry and they hang out stuff to dry, get ready for like after the work week, and then get ready to relax on the weekend. So that's the word that I use. And then there's one other word, but I can't think of it right now. But so this one is Okoshka nitta, so washing day. So that one 3 times. Ready? Okoshka nitta. Okoshka nitta. A little bit faster. Okoshka nitta. Okoshka nitta. And Okoshka nitta. And then last but not least, we got Zadadi, so Saturday, which is brother of sacred day, little brother. And that comes from that Urzi, again we see from the months. So nitta. Jakjuzi. Nitta jakjuzi. Nitta jakjuzi. Nitta jakjuzi. Nitta jakjuzi. Nitta jakjuzi. And just like how for tajago, you can say nitta jago or tajago. Some people will start here. Tajakjuzi. 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 Heck yeah. Let me check the chat real quick. I see there's one. Okay, be ahead of me. There we go. Okay, so real quick, in the last few minutes, we're going to call random people, and we're going to get these 7 days of the week before we head out. And then I think that means that you would have reviewed everything that I think you've already done with Maya, Barnett, I hope, or you learned something new. Either works for me. Okay, so ready? And how about Jordan? 274 Sunday.
Paul Bell.
Paul Bell. You can do both for Sunday or just the first one. Either would be fine.
Okay. Pagupka nitta or nitta jago.
Yes, pick up Nitta and Nitta Jago. Heck yeah. Yay, check mark. Okay. Next one, who's gonna do Monday?
Let's try Nisha Russell.
Nisha Russell. Do you have a mic?
I do. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Okay, you got Monday.
Like I said, this is my first time attending and I'm working because I'm 2 hours back. So I need some help.
That's okay. Let's do it by syllables. Ready?
Okay.
So,
So- oh, I'm sorry. Say that again. I couldn't hear you.
in,
N,
huh,
D,
just,
ga.
Ooh, nice accent. Yes. So now a little bit faster. In, D, just, ga.
N, he, just, ga.
Yes,
You
you just
missed
added
a syllable.
Yeah, you just added an extra one, but you said it otherwise.
Okay.
So one more time. In, D, just, ga.
N, just, ga.
Yeah. In, just, ga. Heck yeah. Okay, so who's gonna get Tuesday, one of the long ones, Jordan.
Let's do Rachel Thrower.
Rachel Thriller?
Thrower.
Thrower. Rachel Thrower.
Okay. Enhadijiska. Enhayagi.
Yes, and how did you just get in Hayaki? Check mark.
Enhayaki.
Yes, nice job. Okay,
Mado.
let's do Wednesday, Jordan.
Do Rebecca Bean.
Rebecca Bean. Rebecca Bean.
And yeah, wait, and
Look at the syllables. You're really close.
and Yaka. And Yak and yep.
You're so close. In enough.
And Gubka. Gubka.
Enaskaba.
Kaba.
There you go. You were just switching these two.
Yeah. And
Enas-
Gubba. Gubpa.
Yeah, this is gonna be the hard. This is probably one of the hardest.
This is hard right here. And Gubpa.
Yeah, Enaskaba. It's the having that R right before a K is really rough.
And say it again.
Enaskaba.
Gubpa.
Yes, that was good.
Gubpa.
Enaskaba. The hardest
And-
piece is gonna be the R. So one more time, ready? That R. Put
And
your tongue like you're gonna do an L,
and
and then air instead.
Gubpa.
Yes.
And Gubpa.
Yes, this one's a hard one. I
That
think these
close?
are the ones that people need to practice the most. Yeah, that was close. I got you your check mark.
Okay. Mado.
It's hard. I think Wednesday and Thursday are probably the two hardest ones for people to say. Oh, not stamp. I don't want to stamp. I want to write. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we did Wednesday. So that means whoever gets this one, I'm sorry, you got even like hard level 2 because now you got the word Wednesday and the word for morning after. So who's got that one?
Starby.
Starby, you were chosen. I know you're there, Starby. Somewhere. Maybe they stepped away. Who's it next?
Oh, had to come back to you. Inethkabi in Haiti.
Oh, you're so close. Enaska, but
Inethkaba in
Haiti.
Haiti.
yeah, there you go. I think you just said it so fast your tongue couldn't keep up.
Yeah. I was trying to hurry up and get back to the mic.
Enaskaba in Hayaki. Yes. Awesome. Okay, next we got Friday. So if you get bonus points if you can remember the other one that I said. So who wants to do Friday?
Let's do Kirsten Kunkel.
Kirsten Kunkel. If I said your name right, and I'm sorry if I didn't.
Which one are we on? On Friday or Saturday?
On Friday.
Ella Wedgek. Sorry.
You're close.
Ella Wijganeta.
Yes, Ilowichganeta. Yes, and I heard you breaking down your syllables. Ilowichganeta.
Sorry, I have a toddler. She's very distracting.
No, you're good. Do you remember the other one I mentioned?
I do not.
That's okay. Does somebody want to give it a go? If you do remember, unmute yourself and see if you can do it real quick.
Okoskaneta.
Okorskaneta, yeah, Randy. Which means what?
Washington Day.
Washington Day. Okay, and that means last one, Saturday. Who's doing the last one?
Noodle.
Noodle. You got chosen, Noodle.
Kakuse.
Oh, you're close. I understand why. The only thing you miss is the C sound. Remember that C sound is like a j.
Chuck Chuse.
Jack Jersey. Yes, so now all together.
Netu Jack Chuse.
Yes, Nita Jack Jersey. Heck yeah, Nita Jack Jersey. Oh my gosh, that was awesome. You guys did so good. I don't know how long you've been working on days of the week or months, or if I know for some of you apparently it's your first day. So awesome job, guys. And so with that, I'm just checking this. Are we having class on a Ghost Connecta? Was Amy's question.
I don't know, I'm not 100% sure, because I don't think Becky's on be here.
We're not sure yet. Especially because the person that we need to ask that question to is at the elder luncheon. So not exactly sure, but I imagine that once we do have the answer, it'll go out to everybody and we'll make sure that you guys know. And so then yes, have to go. I see that. We got one question that was, are documents available on Google Drive?
They will be once I get that set up.
So I don't know if you guys can hear, so I'm just gonna repeat it. She said that will be as soon as she can get that set up. And otherwise, I think this recording will also be on the Google Drive, and I think we plan to put it on the YouTube, so it'll be available there too. So you'll have access to the lesson again to be able to review too. So, and with that, what do you say to leave? How do you say bye? Anybody?
Jihijafis.
Yes, and then I'm gonna spell it real quick just in case you don't remember, or I remember somebody's first day. So, oh, that's not drawing. Let me draw.
And you did a great job, Mado.
Thank you. G, he, ja, face. Jihijafis. That means I will see you again. Now I'm seeing a bunch of you, so I have to say G, he, jog, that og, like in Estongo, hayade gaga, that og comes back. Agafis. Because I'm talking to multiple of you. So I would say Jihijafis. You would just say Jihijafis. But yes, so Hadam, Jihijafis, Mado, almost got. I'm so happy you guys were able to join today. I had fun. So hopefully I'll see you guys all in the future with more lessons.
Mado, Maya, Jihijafis.
And guys, Jihijafis. And I guess you're free to push end, right?